Fix your vibration with money. If you're broke or don't make money or don't know how to make money, you have made absolute $0 in your life yet, and you're a teenager, I want you to just understand this, put this in your mind. Money is number one vibration. It's vibration. So if you think lack, or you think I don't have money, or you think I'm broke, or you think you don't deserve of money, or you think money comes to you hard, money is not possible to get or get your hands on it quick, easy, and simple, and you don't believe your abundance and you don't think abundance, guess what? You will be broke. It's just that simple. You will be broke. With that mindset of yours, you will be broke. You will make $0. You'll be unsuccessful. You will be confused and you'll be lost. You think with that mindset you could become successful? Absolutely not. So now we're gonna get to number two. Number two is about thinking the way you change, thinking the way that you look at towards money, thinking the way that you have beliefs towards money, thinking the way that how money comes to you, rechanging those beliefs, rechanging those thoughts, rechanging those mindset of yours that you already currently have around money. So you gotta say, money comes to me easy. I'm abundance. Just think abundance. Money comes to me easy. I don't need to do anything. Money just flows to me. You literally have to transform your thoughts and belief around money. You have to start being positive. You have to start thinking abundance. You have to start believing that you deserve more. You have to start be worthy of money and act, talk, speak, look like money. So if you are this and you continuously started to higher your vibration by thinking what you say to yourself, absolutely you will automatically you'll make more money. That's a matter of time until you make more money. So stop being that negative person that says I can't make money, and stop being around those kind of people that says I can't make money. Because me myself, I have made my money. That's very sad, or I don't know, should I say sad, happy, whatever it is you want to say. I just made it like this, and it was so easy. I barely did anything. Maybe I didn't even did anything, bro, being honest. Yes, it was, I basically act. So I'm not saying for you to just sleep all day and say money comes to me easy. And source said if I make my vibration go high, money's gonna no, that's not what I'm saying, bro. What I'm saying is you're gonna act, you're gonna do the hard work, you're gonna go through the process of choosing a business. That's a whole nother video I need to make, and then you're gonna act, and then you're gonna mix it up with saying that comes to me easy. It just comes to me easy. Well, you mix up all of these three, just trust me, you will see it. Success, or the way you think towards life, will be huge different, and the money and mindset you build is gonna be crazy also. I'm just gonna say it again. I made my money like this, and it was so easy. I was just at home not sleeping, but I did some work. I'm not gonna say, oh, I made it. No, I did some work, but it was so easier than other people going and doing and bringing and just sleeping and going and repeating. I just made it like this. It was like somebody's 2 times if they would have worked 2 months or 4 or 5 months. I just made it in one day like that. So please understand me, money is just a vibration. You gotta connect yourself with it, and you have to be positive with it, and you gotta think abundance, and you gotta feel like you deserve more money. You gotta be like money. You gotta dress good, bro. You gotta start thinking that you deserve more. So I hope you took away something out of this video. If you did, drop a thumbs up. I'll see you until tomorrow.